Hello cuties, welcome back to our channel. Happy to be back with phonics sounds. In this video, we are going to learn about the letter U. The sound of letter U and few words that starts with letter U. This is an uppercase U. This is a lowercase u. The sound of letter U is A. The sound of letter U is A. So, are you ready to learn few words that starts with letter U? Come, let's go. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. U for umpire. Umpire. U for umpire. U for uncle. Uncle. U for uncle. U for up. Up. U for up. U for under. Under. U for under. U for upstairs. Upstairs. U for upstairs. U for upset. Upset. U for upset. U for unlock. Unlock. U for unlock. Now we all know the sound of letter U. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter U is A. So, let's see the letter V in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.